if you promise person, it's like you are the person on a share blood. If you promise where you dey see so, it pass blood sharing. This route, say 2 people take oath, it pass am. Because God will hate promise and faith. God will hate her.
With Lady T.
Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel, True Dreams with Lady T. Is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time you just didn't get post for YouTube, you just come across this our channel, please consider to hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you will know anytime we put video here. Thank you so much for coming around again and God bless you. For this our channel now Tori, now they talk and now pidgin English will take the knock our Tori for you. We're not just there to talk, but if you share this video, I believe together we'll save someone today. So my people, we want to continue the story of our sister when we shook our mouth put for our last live video when be on the 7th of November 2021. She narrated a story and a story, now touching story. Now 2 reasons that make me they do this video right now. So the first reason why they make this video be say this woman really need support. And some people don't they support her and some don't promise. And I thank people when don't support, people when don't still promise to that God go bless una and refill una pocket. So I try to make this one short so that people go feel watch and understand. Because the first one we fair do a very long video and it take about 2 hours, almost 2 hours if I'm not mistaken. So this one I'll try me I cut and make it short, make it not pass 20 minutes or may never reach 20 minutes. But anyhow, I will play a remaining part of her story when we say not talk for the first one. And if you know say you never watch the first one, I will still put the link of the first one for here for the comment section so that you click on, you'll still watch the first one, you know how the story takes start. So when you listen to a voice record, then I will come explain why I did do this video and why we need to support this woman.
So my sister Lady D, my story go like this. I start to the suffer when I was, now I just say I did 18 to 19 when I start to the suffer. And the suffer when I was passing through goes like this. My father died. He died leave us when we dey small. That time, if I not be 8 years, I go be something. It's like I be around 8 or 9 because that time my mother born 2 children follow me. So we are 4 in number when my papa give mama. But before that time, my mother already get 4 children before. He don't feel born 3 before he see my father. So he got born with 5. Give my father 3 boys, 2 girls. So the one way they born me follow, where he follow the senior one, that one a girl. He died, leave me by thunder. The thunder hit 2 of us. As that time we was small. That time my mother with my father at the stairs. So when the thunder hit her for her side, he hit me too. I can't fall down. So my mother can't hold me. Begin to pray for me. You know say the thunder to hit my senior sister. As I said, before he come outside, he say, we before we run ready, he don't already fall down. He pull head for erosion, he pull leg for veranda. So mama come hold her, come begin the shout, people come carry her go hospital, do everything. At the end, they cannot come back again. It just go like that. So my father died leave us by accident. And that year, I feel remember the year is like a year 1984. And then my father died. So, as that time, my mama first became, he was gay. So that was so he can't there with my mother. My father take care of all of them as his own children wey be say they carry come the house come meet her. And my mother cause see the born for her, he could accept everybody like him own. So when my father died by this accident, as that time there is no phone, nothing. So the man that hit my father by a car, the man is a pastor, is a man of God. As that time, the man paid some money we the children we do not understand. So my father elder brother, he misbehaved. We don't know because we are children at that time. So for dinner, now we call my mother carry we near body after the burial. So those my papa family, they did not care for us. Only my mother, till my senior sister, that is my mother's first daughter, because the thing wey my father do for her, he go use it to help us. He carry me go Lagos. That very day when we reach that Lagos, I know, say we don't reach the house. We see the husband, sister, brother, because that my sister married to Benin, where he first became that time, where he born for my father's house, as he carry and go Benin. He not come back with that pikin again because he's a boy. He lost that baby. When he come deliver again, he come pikin, that one can stay. So that my sister, anytime when he born girl, he go stay. If he born boy, he go die. So that day, he get baby for hand. It's a girl. So that pikin, I remember I used that pikin till her to nappy at that time. So he carried me, come off for the house, go give person as a house girl. When they break, the person is a nurse. He will leave the children for me, he will go work. I begin to cry, say, I beg, I know if you do this work, I won't go to school, because at this small that time, the woman tell me, say, not be because of school, he carry me. He carry me, I take care of his children. I begin to cry. He returned me back. My sister carried me to another person again, the same thing. He carried me to another person, the same thing. He carried me, give 5 people, nobody when I fit stay with. And they cry, say I won't go to school. So the 5th one is a pastor. I go there to do house girl. So this man of God, if your wife not there, the children don't go to school, he go come, he say, what did they my pint? Make her come. See, this word when I talk, not be say, I they use I they condemn men of God or one thing of the other. But some men of God, they very high lot. I don't know what to call them. They are very, whether I use less, so I don't even know what I go call some man of God. So this man of God go come and say, what is in my pint? I go say, what do you see? He go hold me. Me say, I go scream, I go shout. As he leave me, I go run. That time, I remember for Kurudu, to Ajangbadi. That time my sister they stay Ajangbadi. But I just send the place for you in case you won't leave this message because he can listen to the news. I did not call him in name, but when he listens to this my story, we know that is part of my problem today. It's the part of what I'm passing through today. So I will trek because that time where they return me to her, I dey mark many places. I know they sleep as you they see me so. Before I go sleep from motor, that means I don't tire well. If you they carry me go travel, I don't know book, but I go they like to put something. It go be like mark to that place. So I'd already get idea of that road. I begin the trekker. Reach there. Now my sister say it's over. I cannot stay with her again. Maltreat me. If they because that time they sell some business early morning. So everybody don't go work. All your husband, sister, brother don't go work. Everybody don't come on because that time get only one daughter for her. He never born another one. He go return me. He go lock the cupboard of the food. And the food where they give me are not belly full. So me go try to open the key. I go try to use system, open the key. I go serve soup, make eba, I go shop. Because I know they eat well. And that time, that ass girl when I do for that Lagos, when I was 9 years that time to 10, it can't make me mature. So I don't reach like 17 to 18. No achievement, no school, nothing. So now so we call this so they can carry me back to village. Reach there. They say my mother don't go Bini. Now he can drop me, give my grandmama. Say he don't carry me reach us. Anyhow, when I want use my life, make I use her. Now he drop me, he can go back. So when I can come back to my mother, now so we call just day. I can begin to go farm to my mother. I explain everything to my mother. Now my mother see cry, say, where this woman say won't go help me. Now wait till God carry me go do for Lagos be that. I can't deal with her. So if we go my farm, I know sabi clear, I know sabi do anything. Even though my mama put load for my head, now so I go they cry to I go throw away the load. Because I know sabi do anything farm right for time because they no use that train me. So now so we call the village for there now Yoruba village. Yoruba people many way. If you see me, I feel naked back for your presence. That time I don't mature, I don't get breast, but I don't know anything about man and woman. I don't know. One day among of that our friends, so one call get belle. They say belle. Now I say what did they call belle? Nobody they greet them. So they call born. All of us go they greet her. We go ask her say, how you take born the pikin? Mama go say shut up, not tell them. He say vomit her. I say now if you say you're all good now, you vomit. Okay. I say no worry, one day we shall go see vomit. Now I move my sister because of day.
Anyway, this our story now very long story. We be say if you say more start to the narrator, they go break, they go dark. What we dey try talk here be say now story wey be say we go learn from. If we born pikin, we try our best, we dey try to take care of the pikin because if you look at story from the beginning to the end, na pikin wey be say e dey determined, na pikin wey be say she fit hold herself, but you no see the love and who go train her. That just be the problem for them. So I believe say this one a lesson to all of us wey be parents. And again, wetin make me dey do this video na this particular part for inside. Please, if you watch this video, try to click on the video wey dey for the comment section so that you watch the full story of her life. This one are the ones wey no dey that one. Now just put small, and I still use this opportunity to still come say this woman really need support. Now the reason why I still dey make this video be that, because for a woman, may I play the small part of this part so that una go understand wetin make me dey do this video for the second time again.
If you promise person, it's like you are the person una share blood. If you promise where you dey see so, it pass blood sharing. This route, say two people take oath, it pass am. Because God will hate promise and faith. God will hate her. So I thank you very much. Maybe say you remember me for today. As me and you they talk now. Now only me one they carry the problem of the children. Only me one, no husband, no brother, no sister, no husband, brother, no husband, sister. Only me one. But I know that one day God will send my helper to locate me. It can be through you. It can be through you, Lady D, that God will use to help me. Please, I need advice and support. This last picture when I say for you, so now the time where we say me and the children don't live. We need to finish for the work with all the shop money. Now be this picture. You no remember me again. We be say at the visit time for prison. Every time give a lawyer everything. Now me they pay lawyer every court day 3,000 for fuel money. Sometimes 5,000. You no remember me again after 2 children. You can go do wedding with another man. You don't forget the promise when he promised me. Post all the wedding for inside Facebook. People begin to tell me. He even got one of my phone with the thief. Now they now the picture did that time. Now person tell me say, may I go inside into Facebook. I go see the recipes for the father of my children. I say na lie. Now I begin find out the gossip true. He don't die during the time of NSAS. And the family they not tell me because shame not let they tell me. Because now the father say over a dead body, he pikin no go fit marry me. Now I come out for the marriage with over a living body. Well, with the pikin won't marry now. He called Didi in the marry. He don't forget what he had done. So now I bring the matter come out so that many people go use my own till learn. Who get anything to tell me, you can tell me the day where we say we go do the live video. I no regret why I born my children different places till it or not. I no regret. Where there is life, there is hope. Because I believe say not be my wish. When I dey come this life, wetin I talk go call life be say na the man wey go marry me na he go disvirgin me. But when you dey plan, enemy dey plan another way against you. As e no come be like that, and the person wey go virgin me go be the wrong person, no be my future husband. Second one again, third one, the same thing. I can't get 4 kids. There be 5 before. One God died. The one of the year 2000 when I born died. The year 2098. Now the same father. Boys. The year 2006, the father different. The year 2007, stroke. 12-13. The same father. 2 of them. 14. So you can remain 4 kids for my hand. 3 boys, 1 girl. 3 father. The one I can't get last for prison. I can't say maybe na my last bus stop be that. I don't know say na the wrong one. I still go chop. So what I tell you be say, as I did now, I dey hustle for African country. If you look my WhatsApp number, you go know say no be Nigeria number. I dey hustle for Abidjan, Burkina Faso. Now for the hustle. Now the hustle me with the children to the shop. Now they pay their school fees. I can't look this life say all the men is like not the same. The good one are just few. This last video, why I send that for, why they tell you we say I just tell you whatever I'm passing through. So I'm a hustler. I say well, as men not get the value of my body, let me use my body to look for money.
Okay, you see this last part. Now what should they do with that? Now she take care of her children. You know, say we women, any small thing don't say Ashawo, Ashara, this and that, they call us name. We know they agree. Because we know what agree, because na shameful name. Before woman agree, say she dey hustle for public like this. You know, say don't reach am here. Many voice record when be say if I play, I go take another 2 hours. That's why I just play this small part. More than see the experience when she get when she dey grow, they come when she's small. But if you want really get the full details of everything, click the link where there for the comment section. You go listen because that one really take a very long message. You go listen from the beginning to the end. I make this short one for people who not they like to watch long video because our videos not the long like that. Only on Sunday now our video they long so that the office still watch this one and support this woman. Waiting this woman just need now support from people. Before she agreed to this, she really need help because not be waiting with the agree puts. You understand? So please, if you watch this video and God lay it in your heart to help this woman, please support her, help her. Though people don't support, but we need more because this woman, the children, the whole school fees for ground, some be say take ground what she need to clear before she come fit get money to take settle. If she not clear those things, anything what she do now go just dey go for that expenses we don't already take ground and it go too much for her. She not go fit again. May not be say we can't help her. Maybe we to take help her not dey enough. Then she'll go back to her former life. This our platform. It open to touch the life of people. One know say we fit still touch. We don't touch life of so many people, but by the special grace of God, I don't get all the videos. I will bring the comments once so that when I will see the life when be say una don't touch, not be me doing. Now una do. So the people when they support this my channel, this my program, I always they pray for now say now God now go they bless you now. All now secret prayers, Almighty God go dey answer them for you, because I no get anything I fit give now prayers, and I know say God Almighty go put his say for every prayer when they pray for people, when they support this our program, this our channel in one way or the other. So please I beg you, if you don't first support before, God bless you. If you don't say you want support, I don't give you accounts, God bless you. If you get to support, God bless you. You don't get to support, God bless you. Please, I beg you all, wanna support this woman, wanna wipe away this woman tears, because all my life I never see woman wey stand come talk for public say na this one na she dey do just to take care of her children. She not go school. Now know I be now. Now know I be at that our country. But people when even go school, we carry bag of school. It's still dey hard. How much more do I not go at all? And no husband to support. Please, wanna help this woman. As you do that, God will continue to bless you. And again, I want to talk this one to our men, because if you look the whole story, now men, now they cause some men they bad. No be all. And they see bad women, and so they see bad men. But this one, because the last man when he dey with now no say the man don't pay me, may his soul rest in perfect peace. But now still lesson to men, because now no know where women they cry go. Now no know how we take stand. Now no know the chi when they follow we. Each women get chi when they follow them. So what you know say you not fit do? No, they promise her. No, they promise women wetin you know say you no fit do, and you know say for your heart you no want do, and you don't want promise her just to deceive her. Don't promise women like that. Don't play with the heart of a woman, especially woman wey be say e don fit pass through a lot for life, and you come as a saint, you come say deceive her. My dear, you go nowhere. You go nowhere. Even though say she no even curse you, she no do anything, Archie no go let you go for free, because that promise, if you not do am, maybe the revenge na your head you come for put for wetin the rest don't fit do. So be careful when you are dealing with a women. Please be careful and stop disappointing women. So I would like to stop this my video for here. Like I said before, she need your support. And again, you can leave your comment down there. What do you think about this whole story? If you want to support this woman, WhatsApp me on my WhatsApp number. And my WhatsApp number is 00393512852063. With this number, you can WhatsApp me that you want to support her. Then I will give you the account. We dey try to gather the money in a bulk, so that we will give her once, so that she will feel settle herself and start small business to dey do, and she will give us record of wetin we dey do. This our channel now program wey be say e dey for social media, wey be say no be one person dey do the help. The help dey come from different place, and we need to dey transparent. We need to make the people wey donate know wetin they donate money for. You understand? I know say Bible talk say if you give with this hand, no let your other hand. No, not be for social media donation. For inside your house, you can do that. As far as social media donation, we know they do and say no let this hand. No, people wey donate, they need to know how the money waka and wetin the person use the money to do. Oh my God, this video now I know say it does still long. I try to make it short, more than not vex my people. But thank you so much for watching. We are not just here to talk. We are here to say a story that will change life, that will touch life, that will also change situation of things. If you share this video, I believe you're gonna help someone today. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please consider to hit the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell so you will know anytime we put video here. And remain your sister, your friend, your girl, your pikin, anyone you call me, I did there for you through Dreams Bright Life with Lady T. If you get any story and you feel like sharing it, you need advice, please contact us and we'll be there for you. Thank you so much and God bless you. See you on our next video. Ciao.
If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will be your strength. Bring it to True Dreams.